The ability to get and receive information immediately, to be able to know where your product has been, where it's going, what the stock levels are, to be able to see that on your mobile device, whether it's in the warehouse, on a fork truck, that's what we're noticing in the manufacturing space. Assessing their current method of gathering data, recording product information, is this something that's easy? Is this something that's accessible and easy to accomplish? If not, they should look at the new technology that's available with mobile devices. Every manufacturer is different and has different processes. However, we found that mobile computers, ruggedized touchscreens and tablets, handheld barcode readers, all of these devices are critical for gathering data and enhancing manufacturing performance. Longer battery life, easier to use interface, ergonomic design, as well as the ability to use any operating system, whether it be Windows, Android, web-based applications. Datalogic has been in the mobility world for quite some time, with handheld barcode readers, mobile computers, ruggedized touchscreens and tablets. More importantly, we really understand the manufacturing world today.